Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a general knowledge topic, glimpse of the news pictures. Pictures in the news. I'm going to show this. So let's begin with the topic. So so it is a glimpse of the news pictures. So this is the newspaper, you think so, and here there will be some pictures na. I'm going to show those pictures which have come in the news. So by Abhinav Jatti, general knowledge for class 7th. This is a class for class 7th. So let's begin. So yes, go. Queen Victoria was the Empress of India 1887 to 1901. So in this she was the Empress of India from 1887 to 1901. She was from the British. I have put two pictures. See, they have come from the newspaper and there are readings there. So here it is in Kabban Park and this is in. So here it is. So let's begin. So this is the first picture. She is Queen Victoria, Empress of India. Next. So this is in the Buckingham's Palace, Queen Elizabeth II. So she is Queen Elizabeth. She is from Buckingham Palace, and she is from England. So this is the budget box. This red color box is the budget box. So she is Queen Victoria. No, not Queen Victoria. Queen Elizabeth II from England. So I hope you understood it. Now moving to the next topic. So this is a topic related to Kabban Park, which is in Bangalore. So first, this is Mark Cubbon. He is Mark Cubbon and he is King Edward VII. Then next comes this Chamaraj Vadier. Then next comes K. Sheshadri Iyer. These all photos are from Kabban Park in Bangalore. So let us go to the next topic. As you can see, I have written here from right, all those you can read. Next, the last Nizam of Hyderabad, Mir Osman Ali Khan. So this is this photo you can see here is Mir Osman Ali Khan. The last Nizam of Hyderabad is Mir Osman Ali Khan. So I can show you the photo once again. This is the photo. Now I'll show you. See the last Nizam of Hyderabad, Mir Osman Ali Khan. So he is Mir Osman Ali Khan. I have written here. The picture shown here is Mir Osman Ali Khan. Okay, moving to next topic. So the last Nizam of Hyderabad, Mir Osman Ali Khan, is written in black colors. Next, these are the richest persons of all time. So let us see the pictures slowly from first. So this is Mansa Musa. He is from country Mali. Next is Augustus Caesar. He is from Rome. He had wealth nearly 4.6 trillion. Next is Emperor Shenzong, country China, 25 to 30% of global GDP. Next is our own country's Akbar, country India, ruled the empire with 25% of the global GDP. Next is Joseph Stalin, who was the dictator of USSR, that is Russia, and he is also something same. Andrew Kessler, United States, wealth 372 billion rupees. Next is John D. Rockefeller, United States, 341 billion. Then next is Alan the Red, England country, 194 billion. Next is Genghis Khan, country Mongolian Empire, not conquered land, nothing much else. And last, at the 9th place, is Bill Gates, country from United States, 78.9 billion rupees. So these are the richest persons of all time. Moving to the next topic, Raja Ravi Verma's paintings depicting the COVID-19 peak. See, these are all the Raja Ravi Verma's paintings which they depict the 2019 as COVID-19 was spread in the country and in the world. It is depicting all these. So these are the pictures. So moving to next. So this is Roerich and Devika Rani. Their day is an auspicious day and it is celebrated worldwide. So they both are painters. So Moving to the next topic, both our paintings are very famous. Moving next. So, as we know, Doctor's Day is celebrated on the 1st of July in the memory of Dr. B.C. Roy. So, doctors say thank you on that day, and we give red carnation flower to the doctors on that day. So, it is Doctor's Day on 1st July. So, don't forget to say thank you to your doctors on 1st July. Moving to next. So as you can see in this picture, this is Kittur Rani Channamma sword, which is in Karnataka. This sword is depicting the peacock and some player. He is singing in front of the peacock. So this is the sword of Kittur Rani Channamma, who was from Karnataka. So it is very old topic. So this is Kittur Rani Channamma sword in Karnataka. Moving to next. So this is Bismillah Khan. He was the awardee of Bharat Ratna. He had sung the Shehnai on the Red Fort in 1947 August 15. So he is very famous for his Shehnai. So he is a Bharat Ratna awardee, Bismillah Khan. So this is the Titanic movie, the ship of 1912 which sank. So these are the two main actors in that movie. So this is the Titanic. Next, this is the snake which is found in Dandeli, Karwar, Karnataka, which is 12 feet long. It is a black cobra. So you can see a man is holding the cobra and it is very long. As you can compare the man's body and its length. So it is 12.5 feet. That is equal to nearly 26 meters long. Moving next. I want to tell you this fact that March 14, which is celebrated as Pi Day, the pi in mathematics which we use, its value is 22 by 7. Its decimal value is 3.1415 and it goes on and it never ends as it is an irrational number. So it is also Einstein's birthday on March 14, and Stephen Hawking's death happened on Pi Day, which is on March 14. Stephen Hawking also is a famous scientist. So this is Mark Cuban. As I had told you before, he had come with the British and he conquered Bangalore. So he is famous for ruling Bangalore. As he is sitting on a horse, you can see two photos. He is very famous. You can see his face. It is bright. Moving next. So this is the Black King Cobra found in the Western Ghats. As you can see, it has taken a good photo. The photographer has taken a good photo and it has come near. So it is standing. Moving next. This is Prince Charles and Diana in a portrait. This is the first generation of the England's family. So this is the first generation. Second generation is Elizabeth. Next is Philip and William, and the last is fourth generation, which I don't know. So this is the Prince Charles and Diana in a portrait. So you can see it's their photo. So moving next. So this is the Asian continent. So India is located, and this is Baghdad here, Kuwait City, Doha, Dubai, Karachi, Mumbai. All the port cities are shown here: Colombo, Kolkata, Dhaka, Yangon, that is Myanmar, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, Jakarta, Manila, Hong Kong, Seoul, Tokyo, Shanghai, Beijing. So these are the Asian. This is the Asian continent, and the coastal city is located here. Moving next. So this is Thayyam, a folk dance of the southern India. So this is a very famous folk dance in southern India, and it is known as Thayyam. As you can see, they have dressed folkly, and it is a folk dance. Next, this is Raja Ravi Verma's paintings, and they are the third generation. These are the third generation of Raja Ravi Verma. This is a famous painting of Raja Ravi Verma. Next, Van Gogh. The artist was mad and cut off his ear. So this Van Gogh is a famous artist who was famous for his paintings. The Starry Night is a famous painting of Van Gogh. So he's a very famous artist. So I believe that he was mad and he will cut his ear, as that has come in the newspaper. Moving to the next picture. So Karilina Sorabji, she was the first woman leader of India. You can see her, she was in 1947 and she fought for independence. She was the first woman leader of India. Moving to the next picture. So this is Charles Correa. He was the architect of Chandigarh, the planned city. He, as we know, Chandigarh is a very well planned city, so he was the architect of that city. The Charles Correa was very famous. Next, so the second Jallianwala Bagh, Viruddhashwat. Uh, the Jallianwala Bagh of Karnataka is known as Viruddhashwata. It is located in Gauri Bidnur, Chikballapur of Karnataka. So it is known as the second Chikballapur of Karnataka. Moving to the next topic. So you can see this is the Jallianwala Bagh, where massacre of too many people had taken place. Similarly, in this place also, so many people were massacred. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in the 1919. So moving to next topic. So this is the geographical identification of Karnataka. Now let us see every part of what is famous in Karnataka. So this is the Channapatna Gombe, which is depicting the elephant. This is the sari of Mysore. This is Mysore sandal soap. This is Channapatna Gombe. This is Elikal sari, which is of this is Bidri Kale, and this is the Channapatna Gombe, and these are the Badgi Menshinkai. Badgi Menshinkai, which grows in Kalburgi. Mysore sandal soap, which is in Mysore, and this is Ragi Mudde or Peda of the sweet. This is the sweet of Dharwad. It is the Pedha. So you can see this is the famous things which are available in Karnataka. So I have written here geographical identification of Karnataka. Moving to the next thing. So next. So I had stopped here. This is the geographical identification of Karnataka. Moving to the next picture. So this is the great Indian bustard. Dr. Salim Ali had told that this will become the great bird of India, means the national bird of India. But the peacock became the national bird of India. So this is national bird of India. This was the did not become the national bird of India. This is the great Indian bustard, as you can see in this picture. Next, this is Varakavi, author's boon, which is meant in English. Dr. Bendre, this is famous poet of Karnataka. He is very famous for poet of Karnataka. He had written Bendre Chal, which is in Dharwad, and he had written a poem on beer. His full name is Dattatreya Raman Rao Bendre. He is very famous. He is from Dharwad. So moving to the next thing, next picture. So this is, so he is the Varakavi of Karnataka. So he is known as Varakavi Dr. Dara Bendre. So similarly, Varanata is Rajkumar. Dr. Rajkumar is known as Varanata. That means actor's boon. So Varanata of India is Dr. Rajkumar. Vara means it is gifted from God, which is known as boon in English. So I have written here Varakavi means author's boon. Similarly, Varanata means actor's boon. So Varakavi is Bendre and Varanata is Dr. Rajkumar. So Varakavi Bendre said that Rasave Janana Virasave Marana Samarasave Jivana. This was said by Varakavi Bendre, which is here. This is the photo. So next. So this is Indian Institute of Science, which is located in Bangalore. Many people have their dream here. They want to go in this Indian Institute of Science, which is the top university of India. So this is Indian Institute of Science, which is located in Bangalore. So this is Indian Institute of Science, known as IISc. Moving to the next topic. So these are the references. So this is the references. So I have taken the references from magazines, the Times of India newspaper, Vijay Karnataka, Prajavani, and general knowledge books. So these are the references. So thank you. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe the video and share the video. So thank you for this video. Bye.